Let's learn about applying the GCF and LCM in real-world context. A teacher has 24 pencils and 36 erasers. She wants to group them in such a way that each group has the same number of pencils and the same number of erasers with no leftover. What is the greatest number of groups she can make? Let's first find the GCF of our 24 pencils and our 36 erasers. So we have 24. 24 is 1 times a 24, gets us that 24. 2 goes into 24, that's going to be 12 times. 3 goes into 24 8 times, and we have 4 and 6. And we found all of them, all the factors of 24. Let's go 36. Same idea, 1 and 36. We have 2 and 18. 3 and 12. Then we have a 4 and a 9. And lastly, 6 times 6, only right at once right there. So 6 times 6 gets us that 36. The greatest common factor in all of these is going to be our 12 in both of them. So that means that we can have 12 groups. 12 groups here, and that those groups, well, there's 24 pencils, so 12 goes into 24 2 times, so 12 groups of 2 pencils, and then 36 divided by 12 gives us 3 erasers. So she can make 12 groups, and each group gets 2 pencils and 3 erasers. I hope you learned something here about applying the GCF and LCM in real-world context. And as always, thanks for watching.